day we raise up our head, we can see the sunshine on our place. We have the moon to spend a quiet time at night, and we are living at this beautiful planet called Earth. But do you know some basic information of them? In the following part, I will introduce the facts of our Sun, Moon, and our Earth. Sun is playing a special role of our solar system. It formed 4.5 billion years ago. The formation of the Sun is from a cloud which contains dust and gas, and is called a solar nebula. Then this solar nebula collapsed. The middle of nebula condensed into a burning ball of gas, and eventually become a sun. Sun can be divided into 6 layers. First, corona, chromosphere, photosphere, convective zone, radiative zone, and finally the core. The core of the Sun can have 1,500 Celsius. Moreover, the Sun contains 91% of hydrogen, 8.9% of helium, and 0.1% of heavier elements. Sun also is the largest and the most massive object in the solar system. It weighs around 100 Earth, and it can fit all 8 planets inside nearly 600 times. Sun contains 99.8% of all the mass in the solar system. Because of the mass, the Sun has a great pull in the fabric of space, creating a gravitational force that causes nearby planetary bodies to be drawn toward it. Without the Sun's gravity, these celestial bodies would drift off into the deep space. Then, let's take a look to the Moon. Moon is formed about 4.5 billion years ago. According to the one theory, the Earth slammed into another early planet. Debris from the collision began to orbit Earth and accumulate, forming today's Moon. The diameter of Moon just under the width of China. Moon only have 2 layers. One is inner and outer core which contain iron, and the other one is the mantle and crust which contain oxygen, silicon, and magnesium. The Moon orbits our planet at an average distance of 13 Earth, around 384,400 kilometers. It rotates at the same rate that revolves at all times. From the Earth's surface, we can observe 8 distant traditionally recognized stages of the Moon illumination called lunar phases. For most of human history, the Moon could only be studied from afar. But on July 20, 1969, humans were able to close that distance with the American spy-flight mission Apollo 11. It placed humans on the Moon for the very first time, bringing our understanding of Earth's only natural satellite on one step closer. Finally, our Earth, which is the only planet known to maintain life. Approximately 4.5 billion years ago, the Earth formed from particles left over the creation of our Sun. Gravity drew these particles together to form pebbles, which then formed boulders and eventually the Earth. There briefly have 4 layers of our planet: solar inner core, liquid outer core, silicate mantle, and rocky crust. The Earth is the 3rd planet from the Sun, orbiting the star from an average distance of about 93 million miles. According to one theory, much of Earth's water is as old as its rocks. both of which forming during the Earth's earliest days. Because of Earth's unique distance from the Sun, this planet is able to contain water in all of its forms, liquid, ice, and gas.